Hey, thank you, Jim. Thanks for the opportunity and welcome everybody. I'll be talking about a Las Vegas active traffic management system that was installed during a large effort called Project Neon. This involved a lot of pavement, a lot of structure work to improve capacity and operations. And in hindsight, with the addition of these sign gantries and all the automated and advanced traffic management system components, it very well could have fit into a TSMO strategy, which is Transportation Systems Management and Operations. Next slide. So here's an example of a crash. This doesn't have to just be crashes. It's also activated in extreme congestion and in and around weather events and things of that nature. So you can see where these signs not only control lane use, but we can also reduce speed in advance of a crash location where traffic incident management responders are showing up. So there's 42 of these signs along I-15 and 95, again, notifying of upcoming incidents and dynamically adjusting speed on approach. Next slide. So what I decided to do in explaining some of the advancements and strengths and challenges is to just introduce a synopsis. So here's an incident that happened on a off ramp. It was a freeway shooting right on the off ramp, and so the resultant delay or the resultant extent of time of 8 hours was mainly because of the investigation portion of it. Here you'll see the agencies involved, and all of our ITS devices are numbered so that they can be introduced as data points in the ATMS. Next slide. So what we use is a SWOT report, strengths, opportunities, weaknesses, and threats. As far as strengths go, for this incident, there was a quick location using all the CCTV cameras, timely alert to each of our DMS GPS providers using the DMS signs, GPS providers, email, and social media postings. Some opportunities, we can continue to build relationships with the partner agencies, and then also our TMC practice. So NHP used to be housed with our freeway and arterial service team, but since then they have been moved out, and so perhaps we can get a dedicated handheld radio use so that instead of them just being a desk over, they're just a click on a mic over. Next slide. Here's the second synopsis where there was an incident shooting at the Aliente in location number 1. And then the suspect took off and carjacked somebody near number 2. And he ended up going, a license plate reader that we have deployed, picked him up at the location 3, where he then got into a secondary crash during a pursuit, and then another carjacking at location number 4. Finally, location number 5, Las Vegas Metro, was able to execute a pit maneuver to ram the suspect's vehicle and apprehend. Next slide. So here's some of the time, location, and corridor, and a picture of the synopsis. A few more agencies involved. These folks pretty much, we have a traffic incident management plan where we meet with the core team once a month, and then quarterly we go out to each of the different districts and make sure that, and this being District 1, you have Las Vegas Metro, Las Vegas PD, Henderson PD was involved. This guy got around town, that's for sure. And then again, the ITS device is used. Next slide. So here's the SWOT report. Again, the location was verified using the CCTV cameras, and then images displayed in our FAST building. Roadway closures were quickly coordinated between these agencies. And then we also use signal timing monitoring. Those can be remotely adjusted by FAST via CCTV. And then they can watch where the traffic is being congested, where it's rerouting, and control in that manner. And here's some more alert ways of alerting with transit apps, GPS, fast alerts. Opportunities discovered in the Las Vegas Valley. We have opportunities for folks to steal both fiber and copper. And so in this case, a lot of our there were dynamic message signs that weren't able to operate, whether it was because of road work or because of theft. We can continue to relate events. This is a management tool. It's used during this incident, and it's also being improved to support better visually tracking. And then we can strengthen our partnership with Las Vegas Metro. Again, perhaps a dedicated radio with that. And weaknesses and strengths, you can read those. Oftentimes in fatalities or a large scene, the response time and delay are exasperated. And then the threats were the direct communication, but that becomes an opportunity. So lessons learned. Next slide. So that was pretty quick rundown of the ATM. But if you want more information, we have the RTC Southern Nevada website there. We have the Nevada DOT website. And then you can also contact either Teresa, who's the director of our FAST team, or my team, starting with me at the numbers shown and email address. Back to you, Jim.